Good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon, na po tayo virtual house tour, no? And today, it is located sa Upper Doongan, Butuan City. And this is a 4-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath house seated in a 150 square meters. So, kung imong gusto na sa mga Upper Doongan ng area, mao ni ang best nga property for you. Let's go! So, pagsulod, here, dili pa man kayo siya develop na but you can still improve this. Himo ninyo garden area or imuhang car garage. And then, diri as a kilid is all the way to your service area. Pwede himo ni mo laundry area, dirty kitchen, and whatnot. So, sulod na to. If you can notice nga grabe pa kaayo sa kahinlo kay renovate gid ni siya bag-o lang sa owner because gusto jud niya nga i-turn over and i-sell out sa possible nga home buyers nga ina niya siya kanay. So, mo nimo makita including na ang tanan guys. And then diri ang kitchen area with built-in cabinets. Yun. And then running here is your 3 bedrooms sa ground floor, and this is the biggest one. And this is the master bedroom, which fortunately, this is averagely huge nga room. Kay sa tanan ng mga nakita niya mga houses, no, most of the time, gagmay ang rooms. Pero kani siya, in fairness, dako, na siya yung own toilet and bath. Here, natay common toilet and bath for everyone, for your guests, and for those who occupies these 2 bedrooms. So this is the second one, ang pink nga tiles. Then the green one is the third one here. So nagya po siya ventilation guys, there is a gawas, kaya na pa siya space kamay before the perimeter fence. And then, let's go upstairs for the unique feature aning house because na siya attic. Ngani, why attic ang uban pero na siya attic. Attic ko niya balay sa kanya siya. You can actually use this as your home office or you can basically do your own home workout area or mini gym area. And surprisingly, napod siya 4th nga bedroom diri sa taas. So this is the only bedroom diri sa taas and the 4th one all throughout the house. So na siya space diri wherein you can also use this as siguro vanity area or maybe your cabinet. So depende na sa inyo kung gusto kung unsaon ninyo siya in the future. So that's it for this afternoon's house virtual tour, guys. So if you're interested, I'm Cyrus, a sales manager of BK Realty Philippines. Bye!